In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Capcut back after you've deleted it. We all know how easy it is to accidentally remove an app or make a change you didn't intend. So if you found yourself missing Capcut and want it back with all your projects intact, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to reinstall the Capcut app. This is quite straightforward. Head to your device's app store. If you're using an iPhone, that's the App Store, and if you're on an Android device, you'll find it in the Google Play Store. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Capcut. This should bring up the app. Simply tap on the install button to download it to your device again. It's important to ensure you have a stable internet connection so the download completes without any hitches. Once you've got Capcut back on your device, the next step is to open the app. Depending on your past usage, you might need to log in. If you're prompted to do so, just use your existing credentials. This step is vital as logging in allows you to access any saved data or projects that might have been stored in the cloud. Now, let's check to see if your hard work has been saved anywhere. Once you've logged into Capcut, navigate to the project section. Here, you're hoping to find that your projects were saved either to Capcut's cloud, if you had Cloud Sync enabled, or to your device's backup. If your projects show up here, you're in luck. If not, don't worry too much yet. Many apps have a sort of recycling bin or trash area where recently deleted items are temporarily stored. Capcut is no exception. To restore any deleted projects, tap on projects once again. This time, look for the trash option. Here, you should see a list of projects that you've recently deleted. Find the videos you wish to restore. Once you've selected them, just hit restore and they should be back in your project list just like before you deleted the app. And there you have it, your projects and app restored in just a few minutes. Remember, keeping your projects regularly backed up can save you a lot of stress. Whether you choose to use cloud storage or another backup method, it's always a good practice to have your work stored safely. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now back to creating with Capcut just as you were before. Thanks for watching.